Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICSE Maths 10th. So this is your fourth lesson, linear inequations, exercise 4b. So this is your second exercise and question number 1. Represent the following inequalities on your real number line. So you are going to draw a number line for each and every sum. Okay. So I am going to do 3 subdivisions in this video. So please listen the video carefully. Definitely you will be able to do the sum on your own. So the aim of this video is to make the students to do it on your own. So that is my aim of the video. Okay. So now before doing the sum we have to recall the rules. Okay ma. So what are the rules for to do the inequality sum? That is so simple. You just draw a table for addition and subtraction for any positive number or negative number. The inequality will not change. So there is no change. And for multiplication and division, for a positive number, no change. And see, for multiplication and division, if that is a negative number, when you do for a negative number, the inequality will change. Okay. And for the reciprocal, if you want to take reciprocal of the both the sides, LHS and RHS of the inequality, that will change. Means the inequality will change. So this is a very important rule. So with this rule, you can do the sum. Okay, so take your first sum. So what is the first sum? 2x minus 1 is less than 5. So this is only less than, not equal to sign is there. So this is a simple sum. See, we have to eliminate this minus 1 first. So this minus 1 going this side. So 2x less than 5 plus 1. So this is 2x less than 6. So now I am going to eliminate this 2. So before that, how to eliminate this 2? Okay, so before that you have to know the relationship between 2 and x. So see students, what is the relationship? This is multiplication, 2 into x. So to eliminate 2, I have to divide by 2, here also by 2. So when you divide LHS, you have to do the RHS also. Okay ma? So now you can cancel the 2. So cancel, if you cancel here, this is 3. So x is less than 3. See, the inequality is not changed, less than, less than, less than, because you have divided the inequality by a positive number. If there is a negative number, you should change this inequality, but here it is done by a positive number. Okay ma? So this is your answer. See, how will you draw your number line? See, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4 and so on. See, x which is less than 3. So it is not included 3. So in this question, it is not included 3. Okay. So 3 is not in your answer. So what is your answer? What are your answer? The answer contains less than means 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So 3 is not in your answer. Okay. So these are your solution set. Next sum. See, if you draw in particularly, see, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0, 3 is not included, but this is included. So you draw this line likewise. Okay. So now do the second sum. So the second sum is 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to minus 5. See, so first you do eliminate this plus 1. So this plus 1 goes this side. So this is 3x greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 1. So this is 3x greater than or equal to minus 6. So now I am going to eliminate this 3. So for that I am going to divide the 3. So if you cancel, this is x greater than or equal to minus 2. So for this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So x is minus 2 is greater than minus 2, so it includes minus 2. So it is greater than. So which one is greater than? So this is greater than, greater than, greater than. So see, all these numbers are included. 0, minus 3 is not included. Okay. So the number which starts from minus 2. So the greater number of minus 2 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So see, I am going to draw again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So this is included, 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 or you can draw the line. Okay. So now go to the third sum. So what is the third sum? 2x minus 3 is the less than or equal to 6. See, this is common for both the terms. So if you multiply, this is 4x minus 6. This is less than 6. So this minus 6 going there. So 4x less than or equal to 12. So by 4, you are dividing by positive numbers, so inequality will not change. So you can cancel. So x is less than or equal to 3. So means you have to take all the numbers which are less than 3. So 1, 2, 3. See, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. See students, what are the values of x? X which is less than or equal to 3. So 3 is included. Okay ma? 3 is included. Less than means can take 2, 1. So all the numbers. Okay, so it starts with 0. That's all. You got your answer. I hope you all understand. Okay. Thank you.